Hey YouTube, just want to make a small video about two trucks I got, the other day. I already opened them, so I will try to keep thinking of, doing unboxings and stuff. I got like 5 items tonight. I still have the boxes. I can still show you the boxes and everything. But yeah, I just want to show you these Raptors, this car. Yeah, it's a sorry guys. Yep, it's Ford F-150 Raptor. It has a tow hitch, thing. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna use it in my Matchbox fire departments for Station 3, since Station 3 has a boat launch, has a hitch at the bottom. Front. And I have another one right here too I want to show you guys. Roof. Other side. Yeah, that one. There, yeah. This is the other one. Right here. Turn it. Oh, show you what this is. What it says, off-road, right? Off-duty, sorry. Off-duty. This is the same car, just without a hitch, or... this one's Hot Wheels, and this one's Matchbox. So, yeah, it's about a minute. So yeah, I said I was gonna tell you guys, the main purpose of this video is just to tell you guys about the upcoming videos. I'm gonna make a Matchbox update video tomorrow. About all the stations, all the cities, everything that's in the city. Matchbox did, the new, wildlife fire rescue, wild rescue service, for the Matchbox Mountains. That's new. They opened that. They'll be opening it tomorrow, and stuff. So, just wanted to, yeah, that's basically what this main video is about, and stuff. So, yeah, this Ford F1 Raptor will go to the Matchbox Fire Department Station 3, and that'll be an update tomorrow. And I will get all videos, all Matchbox stations out tomorrow. There's Station 1, then Station 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, there's 4. There's actually 4. But, Station 5 is actually like a headquarters with a police, fire, EMS, and pumper, and hazmat. Technically, it's not Station 5. I'll show you the prison. I'll show you everything. But they'll be broken down in episodes. Station 1 will be 1 episode. Station 2 will be an episode and stuff. So yeah. I just wanted to tell you guys that. Salute to America, guys. Happy Easter, and a salute. I'll wait until this gets to 4 minutes, but yeah. Bye, guys. Salute. Do.